How to download Instagram Reels video. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can change your Instagram Reels video. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram. Go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app. Once you've done that, I'm going to go ahead and then simply open Instagram. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you're basically logged into your account. After you log in, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Now the very first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and locate a certain reel. On the top left, you can see that this is actually a reel. And in order to download it, what you have to do is simply tap on the three dots which you see at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dot icon right over here. And at the bottom of the screen, you'll find this option which says download. You also have this option which says save, but that is not the option to download it. That is simply going to save it on your Instagram's gallery. So you can simply tap on save and it will simply save it to your Instagram, but you will need internet to access it again. If you want to download it to your phone, then you can tap on the download button which you see, and then you can tap on download this media file, and you'll be able to notice that we would have successfully downloaded that reel. In order to check it, I'm also going to let the download be complete first of all, and I will go ahead and open the gallery app on my phone, and I will simply show you. And as you can see that we have successfully actually downloaded that particular reel video. This is the way on how you can very easily actually download Instagram Reels. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. We try to be responsive to each comment as possible. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.